What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. So I'm in my truck doing an intro because I'm trying to fit this into my tight schedule this week. So this video we got coming up, this is going to be the best way, in my opinion, that I've seen after looking on the internet and obviously doing it, to crack and clean crabs, Dungeness crabs, rock crabs. I'm assuming this could work for pretty much any type of crab. It's this awesome little device. It's I think it's like blue teal crab or something like that. He got it at a sportsman show in Oregon. I'm sure they do it in the one here in Washington. I think the one here in Washington was unfortunately canceled this year due to COVID. But it's something I definitely like to check out if it's coming up next year and I'm still around. I would definitely like to check it out. But it's a really nifty device. It shows where you'll see in the video how you press down on the crab, break it off, get the legs, clean it, do everything you need to do. It makes it just really simplistic and quick. Just a great little device. So check out this video and I'll see you guys afterward.
So you're just gonna go like this.
Let me get over there on you. Jacob is gonna go over how to crack and clean these guys.
I mean, this is my first time ever with this, but...
Oh yeah, he's got his fancy tool for it.
Yeah. From what I've seen about it, you just place the crab directly on top of the edge of the blade. You give it one good thump, and then you can separate the halves of the clusters.
Oh, okay. Tell you what, if we need a hammer, I got a big old ball peen hammer in the truck.
We should be good.
Oh yeah, and you got like 20,000 tools behind us. Oh yeah, no, just right through the center there. Wow, yeah, look at that. That is a in-half red rock crab.
Yep.
Look at that.
Got
juicy insides
there.
Got
the innards. These are actually the gills right here.
Oh, that's really cool.
And so you just break everything off, tear those off.
Looks gushy. Looks gushy. You know, I was talking about in one of my GoPro clips while you were going to get the cooler about how cool it is that they provide what a male and a female look like, and then the sizes and everything for you on these.
Nice, yeah. I mean, this is a crab specific one.
Yeah.
But some of them has a hole in the top.
Yeah, like the other one for the claws.
No, it's actually for clams.
Oh, is it
so it's
for
like
clams?
A multi
species deal.
Species, yeah.
It's pretty unique.
But then yeah, it shows you like for Oregon, the coast of Washington, and then Puget Sound in California.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, they get Dungeness in California?
Oh yeah.
I watched some crabbing videos on some guys doing that in California, but I didn't realize they were going for Dungeness.
Oh yeah, they got plenty of Dungeness down there.
Would you say it's better numbers than up here?
I mean, just about anywhere in California, you're crabbing on the coast, so I mean, you're gonna have better numbers compared to like Puget Sound.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Like, if you compare, like, even just coast of Washington, you can keep an extra crab, and they can be, you know, 6 inches versus 6 1/4 for Puget Sound. So, you get a smaller size limit there. Well, legal retainment size. Shake all the innards out. And
he talks like, I would do anything to have that trash bag.
Our old chocolate lab Lily, she never once gone to the garbage. She would even like ignore a steak on a plate, like right in front of her face. But the one time we had crab for dinner, she dug through the garbage for the shells.
It's like that dog on the pier.
Do you care which crabs you want?
I really don't care. Yeah,
Okay.
no, I'm whatever.
Sweet. It's a nice sized crab right there.
Smack him on. Crab juices flowing. Oof. You tell that bigger one is a little tougher.
Right. So I would cook this tonight if you can. And then you can like either use it up tonight, you know, either eat it directly or pull the meat out of it, or once you cook it, just keep it inside the shells and freeze it for another day. That's like what, like, you see like crab legs that's frozen.
Mm-hmm.
They're pre-cooked and then frozen.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you could do that too. I mean, that's a nice sized cluster right there.
Oh, yeah.
Even my hands are so sunburned.
I see that, yeah. I got some sun on my knuckles and stuff.
Surprisingly, you're not nearly as bad.
Yeah, nearly as bad. I'm trying to think. You took the blunt of it.
I just burn so easily. You know, I've always been like that.
It's my southern complexion. Just kidding. I'm pasty white too.
Nice.
Good looking crabs.
Those 2 crabs, right?
Uh-huh. Are we missing one? What?
I thought we had 3 each.
I thought we did too.
I know I definitely caught 3.
What? I'm good with just 2.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to feel like those 2 crabs right there.
Wow, yeah. And that's just that's that red rock right there.
Which is
And that's that one, Dungeness. We thought we had 6 in here, but apparently we only had 5. I think we lost a crab somewhere.
That guy stole it from us when we weren't looking.
Oh, gosh. Maybe.
Oop. You went a little too hard on that one.
Yummy. Yummy insides.
So there's another way I just saw recently, a guy did on YouTube, how to like crack these open. And they look pretty simple. Like, this is a nice handy tool.
Mm-hmm.
But like, you can do it without, you know, without this.
I actually made the mistake of getting like whole ones of these from Costco.
Oh yeah?
And I like put it in my boil all together. Yeah, bad idea.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. Definitely should have like cracked it and cleaned it and stuff.
Yeah, like I prefer cleaning it and then cooking it. It's a little bit easier on my stomach just looking at it, if that makes sense.
Yeah, no, I get you there.
I mean, like, this looks pretty gross as it is, but then like once you cook it. And this is gonna go straight into the big garbage can with the rotting chicken.
The rotting chicken from last go, yeah.
From several weeks ago.
Well, definitely caught more crabs than last time. It's easy to beat 0, though.
Yeah, I mean, we almost died in the ocean.
Yep. Yeah, there's that.
But we didn't, though. So, grateful for that.
We probably lost like 3 keeping crabs today. With them falling out. Just
at least 2 that were like, whoa, that was a nice sized crab.
Yeah. Back to the ocean.
I mean, if we could have safely made it out into the, you know, bay, I feel like we could have had much better success at catching our limits, but I am really happy with what we got today.
Yeah.
All things considered.
I was amazed. Like, you just threw that one casting out there for like a couple seconds and then had crabs on it. Like,
Yeah.
that was a shock to me. I was like, wow.
Like, that's how you know, like...
There's like heavy numbers right in there, you know?
Yeah. I mean, the fact that you just toss it out there for less than 5 minutes and boom, you got crab on there. It's not like, oh, I wonder if there's crabs here. There's definitely crabs here. You just might have to wait some time to catch a keeper.
Yeah. Oh, those last few pulls, though, it was pretty good.
Yeah. Definitely.
Good sized ones.
Next time I'm paying the $10 and we're gonna launch inside the marina.
Yeah, I could agree with that. We'll have to I gotta repair the kayak. That little hole there is a little dangerous. Definitely need to change out the straps and stuff. We had this front strap pop out. Coated in sand real good. Baptism in fire.
I'll show you that technique that they saw on a YouTube video. Forgot already. I'm tired.
Me too, man. It's been a long day. Chunky. Look at all that juicy crab meat.
So in the video,
Claw.
the guy took like one of these legs, I think it was this one, and he just opened up the apron.
Oh yeah, you know what? I actually seen Gordon Ramsay do this.
And then he
That's
like
funny.
tore that off. And then I think that was...
Just like break it in half now?
Yeah. Well, maybe not.
Yeah.
Just broke a claw.
Just lost another claw.
Still edible, still good.
Well, we know this way works pretty well.
Yep. When in doubt, just use a tool.
That's a pretty cool tool, though.
Yeah, I mean, because if I wanted to, I could have used it as a crab measuring device, too.
Yeah, I saw the numbers on the front of that.
I just happen to have the plastic ones, because, I mean, plastic ones float.
Oh, you know what?
What's that?
That is the same brand tool as we were seeing on people's stickers on the back of their truck. That teal crab.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
I wouldn't be surprised if they had something out there, like at Westport.
Right? Because I bought this tool at the Sportsman show. It was the one in Portland, but I'm sure the guy goes to the one up in Washington too. You know.
Yeah.
It's a big heaping thing of crab.
That one was stanky.
Oh, I try not to smell it.
I just try not to breathe during this.
Yeah. Because then I'm like, ew, now I smell it and I can't unsmell it.
Now you save the crab insides and let's use that for bait next time. Is that wrong?
What's that?
I said, or is that wrong?
You might be able to, but...
This tastes like Gary. Who cares? It's good.
And that's almost pretty much what she wrote. Try to get this last piece off.
These big claws on this thing. Let me tell you, those claws hurt too. Messed up my thumb from one of the little ones. Right there where I got it nicked by that Kamagatsu hook when I was tying the other night.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that was just a little crab that got you too.
I know. Man, it lit into me. Like, I was trying to get it to let go. It pinched down even harder. I was like, ah.
Those red rocks, as adults, they have super crazy strength. Like, cause like every time, like we try to pull them out of a crab pot, they'd latch onto the cage.
Oh yeah.
And I mean, they're strong as hell. Like, you're trying to yank on them, and they're not letting go at all.
Well, that claw looks, it just looks tough.
And that was a red rock that was only 5 inches. We've caught some right off, you know, Pullman State Park about 7 inches.
Oh,
they were massive.
wow.
And the claws were freaking huge. It was crazy. I mean, you can see just how much crab there is here. That's a gallon-sized freezer bag.
That's just 5 crabs.
Yeah.
4 Dungeness, 1 Red Rock. Somewhere there is another Dungeness that we miscounted.
Somehow, yeah.
Just walking down the boardwalk there.
Right?
Or with our
that guy
poacher friend, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, that was it. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it useful and interesting. I'm gonna try and do my best to, I believe it has a website on it. I'm gonna get the website in there and link it, so if you guys want one, you can go get it. I'm gonna get one myself probably eventually, or I'll just keep bumming off Jacob. No, I'm not gonna do that, but I'm sure they have tons of other cool stuff on their website. Be sure you check that out. Like, subscribe, keep the alert bell coming. I'm gonna be doing some more crabbing because I had a lot of fun with it. Like, I think I'm addicted to it now, and I love crab. The wife and I are planning on going out this weekend, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Follow me on Instagram for more stuff. I post little teasers and stuff with the videos if you like the videos. Appreciate all the support on the other video. But get out there and catch some fish or some crabs.